Hi guys, welcome back to Graphene. It's me Harsh. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 inventions which have changed the whole world. So guys, let's go on to the video. Before going on to the video, please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. I think you will enjoy this video. So guys, let's go on to the video. Skype. Skype is an application for doing things together whenever you are apart. It provides video, chat and video call services that makes it simple to share experiences with the people that matter to you whenever they are. Skype made its first appearance in 2003 and was the brainchild of Nicholas Sandstone. Dane Janus Firis. It allows users to communicate over the internet by voice using a microphone, by video, by using a webcam, as well as with instant messaging. With Skype, you can share a story, celebrate a birthday, learn a language, hold a meeting, work with colleagues, just about anything you need to do every day. You can use Skype on whatever works best for you, on your mobile phone or computer or a TV with Skype on it, and best of all, it is a free service. Skype had more than 663 million registered users by the year 2010. Graphene. In simple terms, graphene is a thin layer of pure carbon. It is a simple, tightly packed layer of carbon atoms that are bound together in the hexagonal honeycomb lattice. It is the thinnest compound known to man, for it is only one atom thick. It is one of the lightest material known and the strongest compound discovered, being between 100 to 300 times stronger than steel. Graphene is also the best conductor of electricity. It is strengthable and yet is almost transparent. It conducts heat better than any other known substance. It acts as a barrier to the smallest atom of gas, helium, and yet allows water vapor to pass through. Although scientists knew one atom thick two-dimensional crystal graphene existed, no one had worked out known to extract it from graphite. That was until it was isolated in 2004 by two researchers at the University of Manchester, Professor Andrew Green and Professor Kostia Novoslo. The potential uses for graphene appears almost limitless. They range from new types of flexible electronics that could be worn on clothes or folded up into a pocket, to a new generation of very small computers, hyper-efficient solar panels and super-fast mobile phones. YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing website launched in May 2005. YouTube allows billions of people to discover as well as to watch and share original created videos. It also provides a forum for people to connect, inform and inspire others across the globe. YouTube was founded by Ched Hurley, Steve Chain and Javed Karim, who were all early employees of PayPal. The first YouTube video was uploaded on April 23, 2005. During the summer of 2006, YouTube was one of the fastest growing sites on web. The website averaged nearly 20 million visitors per month. On October 9, 2006, it was announced that the company would be purchased by Google. YouTube's status at the end of 2015 claimed that more than 400 hours of video was uploaded at the site per minute. At over 1 billion users, YouTube has over a third of the entire population of the internet hooked onto it. Even I am putting the video in YouTube. So guys, I think you like this video. So please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. So guys, see you in next video. Till then, thanks for watching.